Hey guys, welcome to the another tutorial of web design using HTML. In this tutorial, we are going to use how you can use colors to modify the background color of a heading or the paragraph or the borders. How we can use colors. Actually, in HTML, you can specify the color by using by name or by RGB value or by expect. In this tutorial, we are going to cover all those things. So let's start. First, we are going to display the colors of a heading using by name. So let's start. Color using name. So give a break to print those things in new line. Here goes the h1 tag. Here goes the closing h1 tag. Now write something. I am a good bot. I have also told you in the previous tutorial how to give colors to heading, paragraph or any tagline which will display something in the browser. So just type in style equal to color, color, that's red. Let's copy it. Oh, we should give no need to give, just copy it, paste. In place of red we can use yellow, and we can use green. You can choose many colors. I'm just telling you the basic things. Or you can use light blue. Another color name we can also use is supported by the HTML. Just write blue and save it. Go to your save file and open with this browser or else other browser where you are using. See all the colors. Now we will see how to use those things using RGB value. So let's start. At first we will copy those things. Here we will give a horizontal line tag and then paste it. Here write color using RGB value. Now we have to change little change in the code. In place of red you type RGB 255,0,0. These things are predefined or previously coded, so don't worry about that, and just don't don't worry about these things. You can go to Google and browse it for the RGB value for web designing, and you will get all those information about RGB value. For yellow you can write 255,255,0. For green you can use RGB 0,255,0. For light blue you can use RGB 0 comma 255 comma 255. For blue you can use RGB 0 comma 0 comma 255. Now let's check how it displays. Go to browser and refresh it. See, same thing. Now we will use hex code to display those colors in HTML. Color using hex. Now give a, sorry, we are not giving, it's not mandatory to give horizontal line bracket. I'm just showing you to, for better look, I'm just giving those things to display nicely for you. Just paste those previous things. For hex code to display those things in red, you just type FF40. For yellow, just type hash 4F123400. For green, you type hash 00FF00. For light blue, just type shift hash 004FF. For blue, just type shift hash 000FF. Then save those file and let's check. See, the same thing, we are displaying these things in color using by name, color using by RGB value, color using by hex value. We can also, I'll also show you how to display the things using color picker by the Google. So let's go to Google. I have to change my proxy setting. No, it's don't need. Then you just type color, LOR, color picker. Then you can go to those site colorpicker.com, and here you can choose. Here it will display, give you the hex code. And for RGB value, you can Google color picker for RGB. You can go to, you can Google it and you can get those things. RGB value. So here is the RGB value format. So if we'll do this color, then the color will be then the code will be so for this red, green, blue. For this the RGB should be 7600153. I will display you like here. For this color I will use RGB value 225102, then 255. Let's check, save it, go to browser and display. Here we'll get that color. So that's it for this tutorial. We'll be back in the next tutorial. Thanks, enjoy a lot.